action, bitch. It's time to talk. It's time to motherfucking talk, okay?
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
Everything that comes into this big ass head of mine. Because when I tell you, the reason why I have anxiety is not because I'm a crazy bitch. It's because a bitch be thinking 389 thoughts a second. Like, I'm just like, whoop, 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 and it's that. Oh, I gotta do that. No, and I gotta do that too. And then we're gonna put this up in the mix and blah, 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 blah. And then I over worry myself. And then, boosh. Anxiety. So I'm probably just gonna we gonna talk about this because that's what I'm dealing with right now. Okay, hey honeys. It turned into a voiceover because your girl was talking about shit. Okay, I don't know, I just wasn't in order, and like this video is just a prime example of my anxiety because I was just talking about everything that you could think of. I was talking about it, but I really just came here to try to inspire you guys and make you feel like getting through the week, because these weeks be stressful, especially for me. Like, I've been having a busy life, and I feel like I haven't been having time to do the things that I love the most. Like, I feel like 1,000,001 things tried to stop me from, producing this video, because life does that to you, G. Like, busy, and I don't even got kids, so shout out to the fucking moms, okay? You bitches are gods. I mean, y'all not bitches. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But you women are fucking gods, okay? I want y'all to know that. And you wear your fucking mom badge with honor, because y'all be stepping, okay? A bitch ain't got no kids and is like, what the fuck? Where's my time going? But, I just wanted to come to y'all, give y'all this little last summer look vibe. This is the last summer look, because after this we all going into the dark colors. I'm going into the Halloween look, so a little spice, a little something to remind you of the hot girl summer we had. I mean, I didn't have no hot girl summer because I'm taken or whatever, but I just wanted to come and say what's up, because y'all be trying to act like y'all don't want to talk to me, and I know y'all want to. It's okay, boo. It's cool. So, I'm literally in the car trying to edit this video because
and when we get rich,
I'm really trying
on this moment. Go ahead, babe. I'm sorry. Don't stop. I'm sorry.
I'm really just
trying. Beautiful, by the way. That was the look when you were. What was her name? Papa?
Yeah, Blossom.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Just trying to give y'all a little glimpse of how crazy my life is. I'm always on the go. Seriously. But I really wanted to talk to you guys about our mindsets, our state of minds. Just making sure our state of minds are great and our focus, because your mind is the biggest thing. I'm funny. What is that? But your mind is the biggest thing. And if we keep our positive thoughts and we work on the things that we love the most and love ourselves and take care of ourselves, our life will be prosperous. In all seriousness, I just be wanting everybody to be great and to feel great and to look great and to be great. You know what I'm saying? Because I know a lot of beautiful women in my life that like struggles from, you know, things like anxiety, overthinking, and depression, and just a lot of shit that we don't need because we are brilliant and we're like women, and we just walk around looking like all good and a-okay when sometimes we not even okay. Like, we be going through it, but we get up and we do it because like it has to be done. Like, shout out to y'all for real. But I just wanted to come and tell y'all that y'all are beautiful and y'all could do this shit, because I know that I am beautiful and I can do this shit. Like, seriously. I really do appreciate y'all watching me and, you know, just stay in tune with me. Like, seriously, I fucks with y'all, man. Like, every time I be thinking about giving up, every time, like, somebody shows me a reason not to, and it's usually like a woman. And that's why I love women, because y'all, when we come together, we can do fucking magic. But yeah, guys, I was pissed off that y'all see that? I know y'all see it. I'm showing y'all because I'm a real bitch. This is why I didn't almost post this look, because it's like a dingy little dark mark that didn't blend right or got distorted. I think that the primer I used probably lifted up right there. It wasn't blended good, and it just turned my masterpiece into a piece of shit. But you can't stop a bad sis. No, you cannot. Like, I'm gonna keep going because, period. Quitters never win. Okay? And winners never quit. Baby girl, you better remember that. I don't care if you gotta wake up out of bed and say that shit to yourself every morning. Do your shit, sis, period, okay? And I bought some new glitters, and I was trying to like wait until the glitters clean before I did this look, but honestly they're taking forever. So, and the longer I wait, the deeper we're gonna be in fall. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyes off camera because I was feeling like a little discouraged on the look, because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know if it was gonna come out and I hated it or I loved it. Right now I'm pretty like blah, whatever. But so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my foundation, and it's gonna be a real ghetto video because I'm not finna eat this sucker. Okay, girl? You guys, I'm really thinking about giving a giveaway, and it's been heavy on my mind for a while, but I've been like holding it back because I don't really know what to give you guys. Of course, I know since this is a makeup channel, it would be predominantly makeup, like, so a makeup gift card or probably like a palette, since I love eyeshadow so much. But go ahead and comment down below and let me know about the giveaways. Also, BAES, please thumbs up this video. Thank you, I appreciate it. I see y'all watching, but you know, just give me a thumbs up so I can know what you like. All right, thank you. Is that serious, Didi? I did the whole thing. Dirty Diana, singing and dancing all in the rain. Ooh, I just had a good time now. Before I let you go, you guys always remember that I really fucking appreciate you guys. Stay beautiful, be bold and smart, and don't forget thumbs up the video, sis. Thank you very much. Bye.